Good day, all, and welcome to yet another exciting and interesting class. For today, we want to be learning modal verbs. Modal verbs that has to do with the use of shall, may, and will. Now, let's understand how to use those words shall, may, and will. Now, let's start from the word shall. We want to understand the use of the word shall. Now, shall is used for suggestions or for offers, often showing strong attention, intention, or determination. Now, let's talk about how to use may also. Using may and using it correctly. When we talk about may indicates a permission or a possibility in a sentence. That is a possibility in a sentence. Now let's understand shall. How do we use shall? Shall indicates a greater possibility of doing something. That means you have a greater chance of doing that thing. Let's talk about the importance of will. Now, will indicates a definite. That means you are surely going to get that thing done. You are going to do that thing. So shall indicates a definite. That means you surely do that thing, you surely get it done. Let's explore the power of modal verbs together. What can we do with your shall, your may, and the will? Understanding how to use will. Will helps for us to express our future actions. Future actions are what we are going to do in the future, and decisions clearly for everybody to be able to understand what we are going to do in the future. It's like a future tense. Now, there are times when you have to use shall, may, and will. So let's learn when we can use both shall, may, and will. Let's learn this through some examples. A. I may come to school tomorrow. That means you are not sure. You may come, you may not come. I will tell the teacher that you lied. That means you are surely going to tell the teacher that he lied. I know I shall get the money back. I know I shall get the money back. That means you shall get that back. Now, when it comes to words are powerful tools. They are powerful tools because words shape our thoughts, what we think, and our actions, what we do. So you have to learn how to choose words wisely. They can inspire change. They can also build understanding. They can help you to understand things and create connection that transcends barriers. Let us use words to uplift and empower ourselves and also use it to empower others. So know when to use each word and when to use it appropriately. Thank you for attending today's class. I believe you must have learned something very useful on the usage of shall, will, and may, and you know how to use each of these appropriately. Thank you once again and enjoy your day. Goodbye.